What is up, everyone? This is Simple Product Reviews here, and today we are going to be reviewing the Contigo Autospout Ashland water bottle. So I've actually been using this water bottle for like a little over 2 years now, maybe a little bit longer, and it is damn good. It is damn good and damn reliable. I've had a lot of other water bottles throughout the years. They've usually they usually get like moldy or like dirty. This one's like extremely easy, efficient to clean, and it's like it just gets the job done really well. Because like a lot of times the stick over here, or whatever you want to call it, used to get dirty, moldy, all that other stuff. This one is extremely simple to like clean, do all that other good stuff, and has like this protection over here where you can easily just kind of like close the water open. It just splatter everywhere, so you can easily kind of like close it out and then do what you need to do to be able to, like, once you're done drinking, you can close it out. So that's what the main thing, which is what kind of keeps it clean. It also has like a bag holder right here, so you can always kind of like clip it on into your bag or your purse or whatever it may be, right? So this is their brand. I don't think they have this color any longer. I tried to find this color but I will leave a link in the description for you guys to like be able to choose the different colors they have. But this is for $30. You can get it on Amazon. It has like the usual, the free 2 to 3 day shipping, the usual stuff, right? But the main thing was, like, I wanted to kind of show you like the water bottle, extremely reliable. You'll see like the wear and tear I've kind of done over the bottle throughout the years. Like it's fell a bunch of times. I've used it for like detox, just water, other stuff, lemonade, all that other good stuff. Just to kind of show you, this is the inside of it. You can, like I said, this is why I was saying you can easily just clean out this water bottle. It gets the job done, and it's extremely efficient. Like I said, it's extremely easy and simple to use. It is up to 32 ounce. You can get different sizes. Contigo has a lot of other different like varieties as well, so you can kind of like look into which one you want to kind of go for. But again, for me, this one gets the job done. It's extremely reliable. It's a little bit on the higher end because it is $30, but that reliability is worth the price. Because like I said, I haven't purchased a bottle in over 2, maybe 3+ years, dude. Like, it's been a very long time because it's really efficient. It really does get the job done, and that's basically it. Like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below. It's about $30. You can get it on Amazon. Again, if you want to go for a low budget one, I can try to find something and do a review for that for you guys. But this is more from like a reliability perspective, using it for 2-3+ years perspective. And again, still good. Just got to keep it clean, and yeah, and you can even actually lock it. So if you do the locking feature, it won't open up then. So that's a cool feature to have as well. So like maybe if you have kids and you don't want them to like open it up because you have, I don't know, something else in there, you can easily do that as well. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys still have any comments, questions, concerns, just let me know in the comment section below. More than happy to help you guys out. If you guys overall like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And that, Simple Product Reviews out. Peace.